This WordJack video will show you how to create email lists in MailChimp. First, log into MailChimp.com and from within your account, select Lists from the top menu bar. Here you will see all of your email lists. We want to create a new one, so we'll click Create List here on the right. Click Continue, and you start by giving it a name. Your customers may see this title, so you'll want to keep the title descriptive and meaningful. The From email address is the email address that your recipients in this list will see as the emails coming from. So it is recommended that you use an email address from your own domain. Gmail's, Hotmail's, and Yahoo email addresses don't usually work too well as a default From address in MailChimp. The default From name is usually going to be your business's name. Down at the bottom of each email is some mandatory information, including a short reminder of how recipients joined this list. So you want to insert a short description here. MailChimp prompts you with some ideas. Next, you're required to have your company name and address, which is usually brought in automatically from your MailChimp account. But if it's not automatically populated, you will be asked to include that information. Finally, if you'd like, you can choose to receive notifications when people add or leave your list. We're not going to select any of those options today. Finally, click Save. Now that you've created your list, this is a good stage to plan what information you want to store about your customers, and you'll need a field for each. Email address is required on every list. First name and last name are good to have separated out. We're also going to add a birthday field, where we'll choose from a month, day, or day-month format. And we're also going to add a text field where we can store the city name of each customer on our list. If you would like any of these fields to be mandatory, you can check the box under Required. And finally, click Save Changes. Now, to add people to your list, we have a separate tutorial on how to import subscribers, but for now we'll show you how to add subscribers individually by selecting Add a Subscriber. Here you'll insert the email address, first and last names, insert the birth date, and city. Then we'll need to check that this person gave you their permission, and it's a good idea to check this box in case this person is already on the list, in which case MailChimp will simply update the contact information rather than ignoring that record completely. Click Subscribe and they will be added to the list. Now we'll add a couple more so that we can move on to setting up email campaigns using this list. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact WordJack.